Let's be honest, 99% of massage guns have a major design flaw. They are great for your quads and your chest, but the second you try to hit that horrible, painful knot in the middle of your back, you'll look like a T-Rex trying to do push-ups. No matter how hard you try, you physically cannot reach the spot that needs it the most without asking for help. That ends today. I found a tool that fixes the reach problem and adds something almost no other gun has: thermal therapy. This is the Sharper Image Power Percussion Hot plus Cold Reach. And yeah, it is a game changer. And welcome to my channel, Mr. HealthSpan. For nearly 30 years as a nutritionist and personal trainer, I've dedicated my life to helping people build unstoppable strength, limitless energy, and superior metabolic health the natural way. As for who I am, I lead by example. I'm 100% drug-free, hormone-free, alcohol-free. Now, in my late 40s, I'm sharper, I'm stronger, I'm healthier than ever, and I'm proving that the best is yet to come. Now let's go. Let's get right into the biggest selling point. Feature number one, the extension handle. Most massage guns are handheld pistols. This one transforms. It has a 4-position twist lock handle that lets you adjust the angle perfectly. With this, I can finally apply actual leverage to my own posterior chain. I don't need a partner, and I don't need to contort my body. If you train hard, you know the recovery happens in the back. Being able to actually massage your own lats and traps with power, that alone is worth the price of admission. But they didn't stop at the handle. This is feature number 2, the hot and cold therapy attachment. Usually you have to choose. Do I do ice or do I massage it? This does both. The cooling function drops down to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. That is legitimately cold, perfect for reducing inflammation immediately after a heavy session. Then there's the heat. It ramps up to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Percussion combined with heat drives blood flow into the muscle tissue much better than percussion alone. It relaxes the fascia so the gun can work deeper without it hurting. It's a recovery double threat. I actually stumbled across this at Costco. I look at recovery tools all day long, and usually I'm skeptical. But when I saw the specs on this, I knew I had to test it. Now, you know my rule when it comes to health gadgets and gear. Never buy crap, load the trap, and that's a wrap. And right now, it's $30 off its normal price at just $99.99. And even if you miss the sale, this massager is worth it at regular price. Now let's hit the specs quickly. Silence. The box claims whisper quiet, and it actually is. You can watch TV while watching your favorite YouTube channel using this whisper quiet massager. Healthier than ever. And I'm proving that the best is yet to come. Now let's go. You get 5 different massage attachments. Round head, which is great for large muscle groups. The flat head, which is good for all areas on your body. The cone head is excellent for trigger points and those tough, painful knots. The fork head is awesome for shoulders, back, and going up and down the sides of your spine. And the golden ticket attachment, the hot cold head. You get 3 different levels of heat therapy up to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. And there is 3 different levels of cold therapy all the way down to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Power, it has 6 speeds. So it's gentle enough for sore spots, but powerful enough for deep tissue. And the battery, you get up to 2 hours on a single charge, which is plenty of multiple recovery sessions. So my final verdict, If you're tired of asking your spouse, your best friend, or Santa Claus to dig into your hard to reach shoulder blade, or if you want the benefits of contrast therapy mixed with percussion, this is the one to get. Now, I don't put my name on junk. This tool is versatile, it's effective, and it solves a real problem. The sharper image, hot plus cold reach, is officially MrHealthSpan approved. I recommend it to everyone looking to level up their recovery game. Now, if you've got questions about recovery protocols or how to use this specifically for injuries, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications for more no-nonsense health reviews. Now, level up your health game by watching these videos next. Now, keep pushing, stay strong, take your recovery to the next level, and I'll see you in my next video.